hours ago. There is nothing to talk about in this matter again. Ebuka does not want to see me with his two eyes. Do you know, even when I was trying to plead with him, this guy almost ran me over with his car.
Huh. In that case, I have to go and see Ebuka. Ebuka cannot treat in such manner.
Mama, that is not the painful thing. The one I saw this time as I was coming back is the one that is scattering my head. What
did you see?
You wouldn't believe it, Mama. I saw Prince Jamike and Ebube. But if you see them together, hi! They were kissing, hugging, smooshing, rolling on the floor, laughing. If I did not come, they would have pulled their clothes.
You mean this Ebube here and Prince Jamike is doing all this thing that you are saying?
Mama,
anyway,
do I have water in my mouth?
My daughter, calm down. Just calm down. Trust me, your mother. I know that Prince Jamike that I know will not have anything to do with Osu. Osu girl like Ebube. He will not. I'm telling you,
Mama,
trust
they're already
me.
having something.
They will not do anything.
Mama, their relationship is booming. They are bouncing in the Lord. Mama, they are in this relationship. I know what I'm saying. I saw them now. I saw them.
And I'm telling you, my daughter, Okwe Ebube, na Prince Jamike,
Mama,
what I will do this time?
Mama,
what I will do this time? You will say, in fact, you will be proud of me.
Mama, this is what you have been saying. Since time immemorial, you have been saying this thing. Yet you haven't done anything about it. Mama, we are slacking, oh. We are slacking. We have to look for a way to end this relationship once and for all.
That is what I'm telling you, my daughter. Umete Ebube na Prince Jamike Momo. Trust me, your mother. Don't you know me again?
I used to know you. I don't know if I still
Trust me. I will deal with these people. There won't be any relationship between two of them. Prince Jamike is for you.
It's my own, Abi.
Prince Jamike is for you. Trust me, your mother.
Okay, Mama.
Okay. He's for you.
Okay.
What happened? Why?
She even said that my mother died because she cheated on me.
It's a lie. Blatant lie.
But there was nothing that was not true. The queen practically insulted me, humiliated me, disgraced me. But I knew. I knew this was going to happen. I somehow knew. I swear, I would never honor that invitation. She called me rich. She even said that I'm not your biological daughter. She said I'm your daughter.
I have had enough. I will go to the palace and confront the king and the queen. Let me know where the accusation is coming from. Why?
you and I, we know where the accusation is coming from. The accusation is from my own household. It's from my home. You and I know that the queen only repeated what she was told by Oluchi and her mother. It is simply a replay of what I've heard before. So I know where the story is coming from. I know the source. But my pain is that of my mother. I don't know. It's about me, it's fine, I can take it. They keep bringing my mother into it. But I beg of you, if you as much as know that any of this is true, Papa, just tell me, because this is becoming so much. It's becoming spreading. Give me not my place. Just tell me. I will accept it.
On which you will have to come back to this house. This house. Your mother never died. Your mother was my first wife. You were my first wife. Ego is my second wife, while Oluchi is my second daughter.
So my father.
Of course.
That means my mother was never an adulterous woman.
No.
She never died because she cheated on you.
She never died because of it.
Papa, again, I ask you, is all of this true? I mean, all you're telling me now, is that the truth?
Everybody, I will have nothing to do with every lie.
I don't hear you, madam. Make her see her picture.
Look at her picture.
So now the yeye girl be this, Abi?
Yes, sir.
I don't see her.
Guy man, look at this picture very well. I don't want any mistake. I don't want this thing to leak.
I may be guy man, very rough, very gentle, we still the conquer for the zanga. Yeah? Disappointment no day for my dictionary. Yes now. Timbi say you go send a picture for my phone. Then you will give us kose. Make we relate.
Yes. This is the advance I have for you. I will give you the balance when the deal is done. Please.
So na advance now you want bring Abi.
I will balance
You know if you complete am. If we do clean job. No one. I don't hear you, eh?
Please. Guy man, I will balance you now.
No wahala.
Meanwhile, guy man, you have to be very careful in this deal. I don't want it to leak.
You want to teach me my job, make you the waka now. Sure you don't bring job. Eh? Make you the waka. Allow guy man make him function. And I seen don't know P way. Eh? Madam, badaya.
No. We need to get outside. There's still a whole lot to be done.
Yes.
You don't think so?
Yeah, it's true. You've spoken well. But do not forget that everybody in this kingdom expects Prince Jamike to present his bride at the festival. That is the expectation of the people. And you know you are not getting younger.
Oh, no, nobody is getting any younger.
Oh.
I don't know what is wrong with my son. The young man has refused to get hooked up with any maiden. I don't know what the problem is. We bring this person, he will complain. We will recommend this other girl, he will say, he doesn't like, this one has problem. This one is not pretty. This one has bad character. Hey.
Your Majesty, can I, at this time, use this opportunity to talk to him? Because he needs to understand how important this matter is to us.
Why not? Why not? He seems to listen to you.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Our son is not in his room and could not be found anywhere in the palace.
Jamike.
Yes.
He's not in his room and he's nowhere in the palace. Why? What is going on?
I don't know.
What about Adugo? Don't she know where her brother is?
Adugo says she doesn't know where he went to.
Here. No. There's problem. What kind of story is this?
I don't know.
Yeah,
we have to do something.
Guards! Guard! Come over here! Have you seen my son, Jamike? No. Now, both of you, you are his close guards, aren't you? Go out right there now and look for him in every nook and cranny of this kingdom. Is that okay? Go quickly and get back to me. Okay. Move it! Yes. What is the meaning of this?
I don't know. I'm worried.
He has been behaving strangely of late. Yes.
I don't know.
He has been behaving strangely, keeping to himself. Keeping to himself, always in the room. He will come up from the room and then he will just go out and then come back later in the day. Doesn't look happy at all.
Where did you send this?
I did not send her anywhere.
Ego, I meant what I am saying. Where did you send Ebube to?
I say I have not seen her today. Is Ebube child? Now leave me, I beg.
If I find out that you sent her away, either to Ngerezi stream or any other place, you won't like what I will do to you. You will have me to contend with, Ego. Enough is enough.
Greetings, my queen.
Save yourself from those unnecessary salutations. My son is missing. Your daughter should better come out here and tell us where to find him.
Ego, what is happening here?
Where is your daughter Ebube? Where is she?
I have not set my eyes on her since morning.
Mom, are you sure they've not run away? If I find out that my son ran away because of your daughter, I swear you won't like me. You won't like what I will do. Did you just hear me? Did you just hear me? Princess, let's go. Let's go from here. Let's go.
Modify.
You know, the best thing that happened to me is getting to know you.
Thank you. I'm so happy you came into my life. Like, you're the best thing that has happened to me too.
Are you serious?
Thank you for coming into my life. Thank you.
Thank you, baby. One more thing. What do you think I should know about this beautiful queen? The angel of my life, called Ujujuleju.
But hold on. I hope you don't expect me to answer that question.
Baby.
Or do you?
You think so?
Yes, because you're in the right position to know what Ujujuleju is to you.
Sweetheart, my moon and my sunshine. You're the best thing that can happen to me. The only sugar in my tea.
Ebu, my love.
I love you so much, baby.
I love you too.
One more thing.
Okay.
Just want to give you a little treat. Can make big small, can make it doings.
You can say it again. You
So
know,
what
usually likes to be spoiled.
That's nice. That's my baby.
Ebu, my love.
See that? Can you make a choice of where do you want us to go so that we can relax and have fun?
Okay. I would want to go to an expensive spa.
Are you serious?
I need to get my skin food. I need to look sexy for you now. You know now.
My baby. That's not a problem. Can you give me a little 1-2 turn?
Okay.
Let me feel my baby. Ujujuleju.
Ebu, my love.
I will sit at home. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Shall we go now?
Okay. Okay, come.
See that?
No. I'm a lady. Be a gentleman.
Oh, ladies first.
Yeah.
Are you serious? Ujujuleju neluju.
Let's go.
Man, I'm tired. Let's wait for a boy. I'm tired too now. We've been searching for the prince for hours now. Just look at the time. Huh? The prince is nowhere to be found. What are we going to do now? Let's go back to the palace. After all, the prince went on a voluntary exile. And you are right. Since morning, I've not even eaten.
It's not bright enough. Okay, that's it.
Hi. This is serious, so. Huh? Yeah. Oh. It's okay. Let me discuss it with the man, eh? Yeah?
What is it, Mama?
Your father called to inform me that Prince Jamike is missing.
What?
Yeah.
How?
It did not end there. The Igwe has promised to reward anyone who have vital information about his whereabouts.
But Mama, how possible? How could it be that Prince Jamike will be missing?
I can't see where Mama? Huh? Do I know?
And what could the reward be?
Amarom, I don't know. I don't know. Hey!
This is
Prince,
strange.
listen, Prince, listen.
Mama, don't you think we should go in search of him?
That's a good idea. Let's go. Who knows what the reward could be? Eh?
Okay,
Let's
Mama.
give it a try.
Let me hurriedly get the car keys so that we'll drive around in search of him.
Drive around in search of him. Yes, Mama.
Madam, wetin you dey fight for here? Abi if he say you go just waka up and down with this your Mary Amaka wey you wear, you go enter Zion, you no check well.
Oga, we only instructed you to kidnap the girl, not the prince. Please, release the prince and let him go. Release him. I don't want to enter trouble. Release him.
Madam, I don't hear you, but for the meantime, Zion no clear, you go dey waka, you go dey push. Shey dey get. You go dey watch as you dey enter here. Dey push,
Release him, oh.
Come first, before you waka. What of my balance?
I'll bring your balance.
Come, make I warn you. See, make I tell you something, The next time wey you say you go come for here, without my balance, wetin you go see, you no go like am. You go no road, waka come here. Without my balance, you dey find who? Oya, dey match, you dey go. Madam, dey waka, dey go.
I don't hear.
Don hear. Na so una dey put person for trouble, unnecessary people. Stupid.
Where could he be? Where could he be?
The prince can't just get missing like that. Yes. There must something wrong somewhere.
He is my heir apparent.
What do we do? What do we do?
Yes. Did you see him?
No, Your Majesty. We searched everywhere. We couldn't find him, Your Majesty.
Searched for him everywhere in this kingdom. We didn't see him?
Yes, Your Majesty.
I doubt if the prince is still within this kingdom.
What do we do? What do we do?
Hey, what is going on? What is going on?
Your Majesty, I think I know where he might be, Your Majesty.
You do?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Then go out and look for him.
Let me go with them.
Yes,
really? Yes.
Okay. Please do. But be careful. Be careful.
No problem.
Hey, Bube. This is the exact place I met you. Why have you decided to leave me? Why have you decided to leave me this way? Without even a notice. I am helpless. Where are you? Where could she be?
My prince! Jamike! Prince! My prince!
Mom, leave me alone.
No! We've been looking for you everywhere. Where have you been all this while?
Don't come close to me. And stop acting like you care. You and Dad are the reason for what I'm going through now.
Son, please, it's not what you think. It's not what you think, please. I beg of you.
But why? Why do you derive joy in making me angry? Why do you derive joy in making me helpless? Now the only girl I love in my life has left me just like that.
Son, please. I will personally look for Ebube if that will make you to be happy. I beg you, please.
Stop saying impossible things because I know you're not going to do it.
I will.
Just let me be.
Please, I will. I will personally look for her. And I promise you, we will be able to find Ebube. Please, let's go home. Let's go home, please. Please, my son. Please. I promise you, we will find Ebube. I promise you. Son, please, let's go home.
You promise you're going to do that?
I will do that. Even if no other person does that, I will personally do that. Please. Let's go. Please, my son, let's go. Please. 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 Let's go home, please.
How are you?
I'm fine. Let me help you now.
Want to help me to sweep? No, please don't help me. You see this work, this one is woman work. It's not for a man. Okay, let me just finish what I'm doing.
I've been doing it now. Let me help you.
This is done. Let me just finish. Yes.
Please allow him to help you out.
How can I allow him to help me? Is he a woman? This one is woman work. Oh. And since I came to you people's house, you don't want me to even sweep. See, you see this work? It is nothing compared to what I was doing in our house. Hey, if you see the way I used to work in our house, me, I'm very strong, go.
Hey,
I mean, let me just complete my sweeping.
Hey, baby, don't forget you are here with me now. Eh? And you need some rest. Considering what you have passed through.
So I'm now Princess Ibu.
Besides, you are like my own daughter. Hope you've not forgotten that.
Look, I know you're my small mommy. I know, okay? Don't worry yourself. This one is nothing. And you people want to turn me to a lazy bone in your house. No, just sweep.
Sister, relax, let me help you.
No, see, I'll sweep your leg. I'll sweep your leg. I'll sweep your leg.
Adogo,
Daddy.
have you been able to relate with your brother?
Yes, Daddy, but it's not easy to get Ebube off his mind.
I know. But that is not the reason why he should be behaving like this. He shouldn't alienate himself from the rest of us, from the rest of society. Can you imagine? Now he hasn't taken his breakfast. That is not right. Huh?
Daddy, please, just let him be. For the breakfast, he will take his breakfast, but please, for now, let him be. He will definitely come around. Yes.
Do you have any information yet about the girl?
Well, no, Daddy, not yet.
Are you thinking about it? Is that something I need to know?
No, Daddy, there is nothing, Daddy.
It's all right. As soon as you get information, do let me know. I can't wait to see my son happy again. You know, when he is sad, I am also sad. Just like you, if you're not happy, I am not happy.
I know,
I'm a responsible father.
I know. I know, Father, but Dad, you know, I have to blame you. Yes, you and Mom. Yes. You people were harsh on Ebube and that made Jamike feel so bad.
Oh, well, I'm a king. I have to do what I have to do as a king. But as it is now, I am ready to make amends. Yes. The way the situation is now, I am ready to make amends. So if you have any information about the girl, do let me know so I can do the needful.
Really? Like Daddy? Are you the one saying this?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
My word is the law. So I can change when situation changes.
Wow. In that case, Daddy, leave it for me. I'll handle it.
Please do.
I will talk to Jamike.
Right away, talk to him right now. Let him know how I am feeling about this whole thing. And that I am ready to make amends.
Ooh.
Because I want his happiness.
I'm going.
Go
I'm
ahead.
leaving already.
Go ahead.
Daddy, are you serious?
Yeah, come.
Oh, you're the best, Daddy. Don't worry, I'm going to meet him right away.
That's all right, do it.
Jamike!
No, I have to get this thing corrected. The girl is from nowhere, but if she makes my son happy, why not?
Hey, Mama. I also give her my smoothies, and she liked it before she fall asleep.
Amara, I can see that you like her.
Yeah, I like her. She's the sister I never had.
Do you know what? She reminds me of her late mother. Ojugo was a kind-hearted woman. I will always do my best to take good care of her.
And I promise to be the best brother she never had.
That girl is a very nice girl.
I like her so much. Wow, that's very nice. That's very nice. Nice.
Do you like my song?
Huh? Like? I love it.
You do?
I love it.
I promise to be singing for you guys every day.
Sister, you're super talented.
Everybody know what? You're so creative and talented as your mother.
Oh, thank you.
So, tell me, how did you come about the song?
Oh, the song. This song is actually very dear to me. It's a special song. It's very close to my heart. My late mother taught me the song. My mother taught me the song before she passed. And ever since, the song has become a part of me. As a matter of fact, when I do the song, I practically see my mother standing right in front of me, and she's always very happy. I can see her smile when I do the song. May her soul rest in peace.
Amen. Ebube, since you are this good in song, maybe we should introduce her to the, or maybe cultural group.
Sister Mama is right. You will love them.
They are well-known cultural troupe in this kingdom. You will like them.
Do they sing?
Yes, they dance too.
And they dance?
I'm telling you.
Wow, so that means I can play my ubo.
Yes.
Hey! Please, when can I meet them?
I'll take you to them.
When?
Tomorrow.
Yay!
Tomorrow I'll take you go with him.
I can't wait. I'll be so happy. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome. You know you're my daughter, okay? You know what? I know you guys are hungry. Let's go and eat. Breakfast is ready.
You like food too much.
Your Majesty, I hope you have not forgotten the invitation extended to us by Omenimu Kingdom concerning their New Yam Festival.
Igwe Omemboji.
Igwe, yes.
No, I have not forgotten. I have not, and we shall honor that invitation.
Okay.
We shall, yes, as usual.
Okay, in that case, is there any special arrangement you want us to make concerning the New Yam Festival, like giving them fat envelope or Efi. You know, I got what to Efi that day.
Yes.
So let our own be among the cow that will be slaughtered that day.
Wow. Wow. We
Yeah.
have been doing it before.
Oh, yes.
This year we shall also fulfill it. Yes. I got
Oh, my name.
But there will be a difference this year. Yes, I am thinking of my son goes with you to represent me in that occasion.
Igwe, why wouldn't you attend yourself, knowing fully well that your old-time friend Igwe Omemboji will be glad to see you?
Of course, I know that Igwe Omemboji will be glad to see me, as always.
Oh, yes.
Yes, but he will be happier if my son attends in my stead. I will explain. You know that Igwe Omemboji has a number of pretty and adorable daughters.
Oh, yeah, that I know. I know fully well.
So, I am thinking that if my son attends on my behalf, he may have the opportunity to see those daughters and he might take liking to one of them.
Oh, is that
one
where
of
you
them may appeal to him.
Oh.
And if that happens, my wish will be fulfilled.
Oh, now I get
You
where
see?
you are getting to.
It will be Igwe to Igwe.
Oh, yes.
Onowu to Onowu.
Oh, wonderful.
These are things my son does not understand, that these relationships matter a lot.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Igwe, that's good. If that happens, that would be an icing to the cake.
Mom. And I'll be so happy.
Oh, yes.
Because it will be so appropriate. Igwe to Igwe.
Oh, yes.
Eh? Onowu.
Onowu.
Lola.
To Lola.
You see?
Oh, yes.
Yes. So that is why I want my son to attend on my behalf. So go ahead and plan it that way.
Okay.
While I try to persuade my son to go with you.
Okay, that would be wonderful.
If you meet him, you can also add your voice.
Oh, yes, I will.
My prince, with due respect, what do you want from me?
Ebube, the manner you left me, I feel is wrong. I have been looking for you everywhere. Let me ask you, has running away from me, abandoning me, has it given you peace of mind? I guess no. So what do you stand to gain in doing this to us? What?
My prince, I appreciate you coming all the way to look for me. But you shouldn't have. The Ebube you used to know is dead. Dead and gone. Because I have died to my past. I do not want anyone bringing back my past, okay? I'm here to start and live a brand new life. And all I want from you is to respect that.
No.
Please.
That will not be possible. I guess you don't understand when I say I love you. You don't understand how I feel. You are my life, Ebube. I've come to love you. It's hard for me to do this you're asking me to. Look, you have to come back.
But
There is nothing happening here. You have to come back to where you're needed.
But you know that is not possible.
Baby, listen, you are my queen. The queen of my heart, the queen of my kingdom. We can do this.
But your parents, they have other ideas. We do not belong in the same class. And the class difference would always come in.
You said my parents, right? My parents are my parents. This is me. This is what I want. It's you I love. I will always stand by you. And this time, stronger like never before.
Princess and daughter of Igwe Omemboji, eh? You're welcome to my kingdom.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you.
Now that you're here on my son's invitation, I believe it is for good. Where?
It's indeed for good, Your Majesty.
You're welcome, Princess. You're welcome to the kingdom.
Thank you. Thank you, my queen. Thanks for having me.
So, my son, what is going on?
Well, Dad, the good news is that I proposed to her before bringing her to my parents, and of course to give your blessings.
Really? You already have my blessings. Yes, for bringing this princess and the daughter of Igwe Omemboji. Eh? I used to know him. Great man. Hey, come, both of you. Come on, take my blessing. It shall be well with you.
You said?
You shall live and not die.
You said?
Your marriage shall be a success.
You said?
And so shall it be.
You said?
Sit down. Sit down.
Thank you.
Hey, you're
Thank
welcome.
you so much.
You're welcome, princess.
Thank you, my queen. Thank you, Your Majesty.
She's so delicate.
Oh, she's beautiful, right?
Oh, yes. It's wonderful.
I see.
You have good taste.
I see. Okay, quick one, Dad. Can you kindly, both of you, take a very good look at her and... Have you met her before?
Seen the princess? Yes. No. How would I know? I'm seeing her for the first time. You just brought her. No, I have not seen her before. But, Lolo, have you seen this girl before?
I haven't either.
Okay, well, baby, over to you.
What?
Look. What am I saying? Look at Nanya. Is she not that girl? That girl you brought the other time that was playing Obo.
Yes, it's
Hey, baby. So you are not the daughter of Igwe Omemboji?
Dad, this is a lesson to both of you. Looking down on people is never the best solution in life. You don't discriminate because she's poor. You don't call her outcast because she's low life. Take a very good look at her. You called her pretty because I transformed her into what I want her to look like. And if you must know, I enrolled her in one of the best musical schools in the world.
Really?
Very soon, you will hear her on your radio and watch her on your TV. She will become that superstar. So what am I trying to say here? For those people watching, or those that must have heard this story, it is never good to look down on people. Give them the opportunity, and you will see them doing the best exploits in life. Look at her.
How did you transform her from that village girl that was playing this into... Hey, my son, Ebokwa packager.
So Dad, we can go ahead, right?
My dear, I should have accepted her. Go ahead. You have accepted her from our heart. So, Igwe, Please, let's take her as one of our best daughter-in-law.
Oh my God.
You are now a princess.
Thank you so
We
much.
accept you.
Thank you. Oh my God.
It shall be well with you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. My goodness.
You're welcome.
You are a packager.
You're welcome.
Thank
you so much.
You're welcome.
This is what you made out of that girl?
Love